Hello, I'm Willys Sam and I'm a professor of communication skills at M.Phil Group of Institutes, Bhopal. Today we are going to learn parts of speech in English language, and as you already know, there are 8 parts of speech in English. What do we mean by parts of speech? Every word in English sentence is categorized into 8 different parts according to its functions, and they are named as nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Now we'll begin with nouns. Nouns are the naming words, name of a person, place, or thing, animals, even name of a subject or disease. It can be anything that has been named. So I am Willys Sam, as I had said. Willys Sam is the name of a person, and that's a noun in that sentence. Second, pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of a noun, or you can also say substituting words for nouns. Like I said, I am. So in the word I, it's a pronoun. I have a friend. Her name is Pinky. So I said Pinky. Her name is Pinky. Pinky is the noun. Her, the word that I used, her, uska naam, that is pronoun, because I am denoting it for the noun Pinky. So there are different group of pronouns: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. One set. My, your, ours, our, their, his, her, it. So like that, this is another set. Then there is another set: mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers, its. We will look in details in some other video how and where to use them. Another set is myself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, himself, herself, itself. Now we move to the third one, adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Any word that we use to describe a noun or even a pronoun, then those words are adjectives. For example, my friend Pinky is smart. So I'm now describing my friend Pinky. Pinky is the noun. She is smart. So the word smart is an adjective which is describing Pinky. So that is an adjective. Next one are verbs. Verbs are action words. Any English word that denotes an action, like write, sit, talk, jump, they are called as verbs. Action words. I am teaching parts of speech. So the word teach, I have used ing form of teach, but the root word is teach. I am teaching you parts of speech. So teaching, the word teach is the verb in my sentence. So I am teaching, we have already learned it is a pronoun used in place of Willys. Then am, we will say it's an helping verb which is helping to create a rule, and teaching is the action that is going on, so that is a verb. I am teaching you parts of speech, which is now the noun parts of speech. Next one is adverbs. So adverbs, they add meaning to the verbs, or they describe the action done by a noun or a pronoun, the action that is done by a person. And if we describe them, then they are called as adverbs. For example, I'm giving you two different sentences to differentiate between adjectives and adverbs. How are they different? If I say she is fast, वो बहुत तेज है, so it means everything that she does or everything about her, it's fast. She speaks fast, she learns fast, she drives fast, any work she does it very fast. So you will just say she's fast. So the word fast in my sentence, this sentence is an adjective. But if I say she drives fast, then I'm talking about her driving. How does she drive? The drive is the verb, the action word, and I'm describing how does she drive. So that word in my next sentence, she drives fast. Now fast in this second sentence is an adverb because it is describing the verb or the action done. So I hope you have understood adjectives, verbs and adverbs. So adverb can add meaning to a verb or to an adjective and even to another adverb. So this you have to keep in mind. Next part of speech is preposition. Prepositions, you can say either they are positional words or relational words. Positional words in the sense they talk about the position, like she is in the room. In, the word in is a preposition. She is in the room. I have used the word in. The pen is on the table. So on, the word on is a preposition. So talking about the position wherever it is, under, on, upon, in, into, among, between. So there are so on and so forth. Relational words, like it talks about the relationship of the main action that takes place and the noun that we use in a sentence. Like for example, I go to college or I'm going to college. So the word I am going, it's an action of going, and then college is a noun that I have used in my sentence. So what is the difference between my going and the college? So it talks about the relationship. I am going to the college. I am coming from the market. So the word to in my first sentence and the word from in my second sentence, these are prepositions which talks about the relationship between between a noun and the other rest of the part of the sentence. Okay. Next is conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that we use to join two words or two sentences or two phrases. Their job is just to join. So you can also say connectors. They connect one part of a sentence to the other, one word to the other. So for example, I go to college and teach the students, or I go to college and give classes to the college students. So two actions are taking place. I join them with the help of and. I go to college and I do this. So the word and is a conjunction. Even when you remove the conjunction from the sentences or between the words, they don't change the meaning. That is what we have to keep in mind. It won't enhance the meaning. Next one is, the last one is interjections. Interjections are the words that we use to express our feelings, the sudden feelings or emotions, like emotions of anger, happiness, excitement, grief, pain, sorrow, etc. We use certain words to express these ones. Like for example, wow. If I like something, I would say wow. So excited, or some team has one, we would say hooray, or ouch if we have pain, we experience pain. There are so many other words like this which originally doesn't have any meaning to it, but they are called as interjections, which we use to express our different types of emotions. I hope you have understood all the parts of speech. I explained to you in easy English language without using Hindi. Don't be discouraged. Go to my video again and again. You will develop your English language only by listening pure English. If you take the help of Hindi, it delays the process of learning because you have the ready-made answer there, or your mind won't have to work if I just say Hindi along with it. And it takes longer time for you to develop English language. But if you're directly listening to someone speaking in English and you put pressure on your mind to grasp it, to understand that, to catch it, if you do it for many times, it will help you develop your language. Within days you will start improving, and then you won't even know when will you just catch speed and fluency, and you start speaking and you learn it so well. So bye for today.